And we know Dana will be highly anticipating these events.
Throughout my entire life, I didn't watch too much of the Olympics, but when the horses came on, my dad and I were seated on the couch and watching all of it. I used to actually watch old ones like in the background when I would do homework in high school. So
well, even for that story, you were.
Oh, yeah.
I was sitting like this watching. Wish I brought my glasses so I could get a better look.
Oh, beautiful animals.
I know, gotta love them. The weather today, kind of a mix. We loved some of it. Kind of depended on where you were, a bit of a mixed bag, and that's kind of how this week is going to feel. Some kind of on and off showers, a mix of some sun and clouds, and then things will be changing as we get into Friday and next weekend. So here's what our visible satellite imagery looked like today. Kind of a mix of sun and clouds, especially throughout the afternoon, a bit more cloud cover up in northern Maine, a bit more sunshine closer to southern Maine, and with that we saw some scattered showers. Particularly the most shower activity we saw was in down east and northern Maine, a couple of showers through western Maine, but in general a lot lighter than the ones we saw in eastern Maine today. A little bit of lightning out there, but mostly just some heavy downpours as those go through. And once we lose the daytime heating tonight, we'll start to calm down with some of those showers. So these were our high temperatures today. Pretty warm, especially in the southern coast. Got to 74 in Portland today, 72 in Wiscasset. A little bit cooler in areas in northern Maine. You can kind of very clearly see where we saw the most sunshine today. That's where our temperatures out there were the warmest. So overnight tonight, once we lose that daytime heating, all of our showers disappear, and a lot of the cloud cover will too. By the time we get to early tomorrow morning, kind of once again, it's going to be kind of a mixture of sun and clouds. And the next few days are going to feel very similar to each other. I like to call it a rinse and repeat style forecast. So once we get into the afternoon, we start to get some more sunshine, and then we start to pop up a few showers. Overall, I think Tuesday will have less showers than we'll see on Wednesday. And in general, I think they'll be a little bit lighter when they pop up too. Tuesday night, once the sun sets, we lose the showers, we lose the cloud cover, and then Wednesday feels very similar. So we'll start out with the morning with a mixture of sun and clouds, maybe a little bit of fog out there in the early mornings of Wednesday too. And then I do think Wednesday is going to have more shower activity, especially in areas of northern Maine and back into the mountains. I think there might be a couple of showers along the coastline, but definitely less overall than we're going to see inland. Temperatures gradually getting warmer as we get closer to the midweek. And then Wednesday night, very similar. Once we lose the sunshine, once again, we lose the showers and the cloud cover. And then Thursday, we start to change things up a little bit. Overall, less chance of a shower activity as we get into the afternoon, and a much nicer day overall. And then Friday, we change kind of that pattern again. That's where we're going to have a front moving through. So overall, Friday is going to be our best chance of showers and thunderstorms, but it's not going to be raining the entire day. It's just our best chance. And then a big area of high pressure moves out for the weekend, and we end up with a stunning, gorgeous, and sunny and dry weekend. Marine forecast sees 2 to 4 feet, water 55 degrees. So here's a look at our 7-day forecast. So we do have some of that shower activity through most days this week, getting a little warmer, especially as we get into Thursday and Friday. Temps in the upper 70s to 80s. I do want to mention, Brian and Amanda, it's not going to be raining all day on Friday. That's just going to be our best chance of those showers and thunderstorms. And then for the next 2 days, just kind of those on and off showers, a bit like we saw on Saturday of this weekend.
We're getting used to that now.
Yeah.
Yeah, a very kind of summer-like feel to the weather.
For sure. Dana, thank you.